Welcome to Skydive St. Louis. How you feeling?
Well, I could be a little more relaxed.
I'm a little nervous too, but we'll figure it out. But hey man, we're about to go 2 miles up, free fall for a mile at 120 miles an hour. Open up onto that parachute, fly it around, let you fly it around. Land over there in that field, my man. Let's go burn some holes in the sky.
This is what life's about.
Woo!
No fear.
For the daylight, alright, so am I. Oh, 'cause without it I don't know who I am. Love is a limited goal. No, it's an
Life.
I would make that, man.
That is insane. All right, what can I be doing now? Holding on?
Yeah.
Go left. Go right, I go right. How hard can I hold it? Stay in the rush. In my life.
What was that?
That was one of the best experiences of my life.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, I mean, I don't even know if I could say I enjoyed it. It was just like so in touch with fear and overcoming it.
In the moment.
And yeah, this is what life's about.
Right there, brother. Hey, Skydive St. Louis. You're one of us.
Thank you so much.